Hey, what's up you guys? Thomas back with another LinScents video. Today we have a fragrance from Fragrance World, but before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys. Again, it is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. And if you are in an automobile, hopefully you are in a Uber or a Lyft, taxi, whatever, it doesn't matter. Because you should be watching and driving at the same time. Now, if you're just pulled over because the wife is in Target for 3 hours, then go right on ahead, do some binge watching, and continue watching this. But anyways, if you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very, very important. Likes helps this channel grow. As you guys can see from time to time when I keep tilting my head to the left, quite a little gash from the head shave of the night, which, by the way, I used the Dollar Shave Club, the 4-blader. I think it's called, like, all 4 terrain. And, man, everything was going smooth, but hit a patch and, boom, started looking like Stone Cold Steve Austin. Blood was gushing everywhere. So, man, you guys already know. I've given you guys my favorite razors to use on my head. You know, it was going smooth until it nicked me, and this is not the problem that I have with Gillette. I don't have that same issue with the Kreml blade or the Schick. I don't even have these same issues with Harry's. It's this Dollar Shave Club and the Defender are the ones that bloodied me up. So, anyways, let's get into this fragrance. Now, this is, again, is a fragrance from Fragrance World. Now, I think F.A. Paris is like one of their brands, okay? Fragrance World is the thing, and then F.A. Paris, okay? So, what does F.A. stand for? I don't know. Fragrance addiction, fragrance addict, fragrance asshole. I don't know. It could mean any one of those 3 things. Fragrance Arabic, Paris, I don't know. Fragrance, I don't know. Something with an A, okay? So, there it is. Fragrance A. Paris. Again, Fragrance World thing going on here, but it's still made in the UAE. Now, I believe Memento, the Abraaj lineup, maybe the Abraaj lineup is like the name of this old lineup, and then Memento, because I do have another Abraaj, which is, you guys know this one. I have 2 of them. Okay, this is that brackish, smells good, clovey, sexy. And then we got Enclosure, which is very nice, another Abraaj. So, Abraaj, Memento. Now, I believe this is a clone of Amouage Memoir from men. Who knows? Could be wrong. This could be a clone of Nautica Voyage. Who knows? But I'm gonna go with Memoir, man. You guys know they really try to get close to the bottles, especially with this big silver cap. But this one is just straight, flat, rectangle. No cool looking things about this thing, just straight up looks like a Betamax cassette tape, old Nintendo game, big ice cream sandwich, whatever it is. But I actually like the way it feels in the hand, though. Feels pretty good. So, and the cap is actually quite heavy. So, that being said, let's finally spray this bad boy and see what it's all about. Nothing going on over here. Now, I believe the real Memoir has some woods, some spice. I think it has leather, tobacco, and stuff like that, but who knows? Let's go right over here. Wide distribution, which is very nice. Which is very nice. It is very nice. It is definitely different. It's definitely... Oh. It's kind of got like this fresh woody scent on the skin. In the air, it's kind of got this, definitely this woody kind of smoky vibe. Get closer to the skin. It's definitely like really woody and kind of like earthy, really earthy and woody. It's a fragrance that I highly enjoy much better in the air. It smells really good in the air. On the skin, it's like, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of this just yet. you guys all know, we gotta let these fragrances dry down and stuff like that. But I don't want to go through, 20 minutes of this and come back to you and let you know what I feel about it. A lot of times with some of these fragrances, you can kind of tell straight away if you're going to like it or not, whether it's on the skin or whether it's in the air. This is one of those fragrances we are going to have to wait. See what kind of development this does. What kind of direction does this go when you go outdoors? Because I think with outdoors and these woody, this kind of is spicy and earthy, yet slightly fresh, like a slightly fresh green to this. Okay, so you got green that gives it this freshness, then you got this dark, woody, earthy type sense, some type of notes in here. But again, on the skin, I don't know. It could just be my skin. Maybe your skin smells better with nothing on it, and then when you spray this on, it smells magnificent. Maybe my skin just smells like shit, and then I spray this on, and it just doesn't do no justice. But I'll bring the wife, see if she likes it. Because here's the thing. A lot of you guys trade your fragrances or get rid of them because your wife, your spouse doesn't like them. So just because I say I don't like it, if a woman says she likes it, maybe you guys would just buy it. So, wife, babe, are you available? Sure. Again, on the skin, I'm not a huge fan of it on the skin, okay? It's different. It's woody. It's kind of got this fresh, soapy freshness green to it. In the air, I like it much better in the air, okay? And again, that is where most people are going to smell this fragrance, is in there, right? They're not going to smell it on your skin or on your hand. The wife might smell it on the skin. So, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to let her smell it in the air, like over here. I'm going to give her a whiff.
I can smell it walking in.
She could smell it. Okay, but I'm going to spray it on my neck. Maybe my neck smells a little bit better, okay? So, by the way, if you guys ever shave your head, be careful when you are spraying that neck area, because if you get one of those wide distributing fragrances and it touches up here, you got to twitch just for a little bit. Not long, but just for a little bit. So the smell.
It doesn't smell as sweet on your skin as it does in the air, but it still
smells
like
good. Fresh and woody, kind of, right?
Yeah.
Woody, fresh.
Well, masculine.
Masculine. It is definitely a masculine fragrance. This is not one of those unisex fragrances. So if you need something masculine, maybe you're tired of all my unisex fragrances, especially the ones that lean more on the feminine side of things, then you go with this one. Again, it smells pretty good. It smells good in the air.
It's a nice blind buy.
It smells, it's definitely different. Okay, it's definitely a little bit different than some of my other woody fragrances, because there is something in here that, again, it is woody. It's like this dark, woody, smoky, but then there's this little bit of fresh earthiness behind all that, okay? There's not like much this citrus action going on here and stuff like that, which a lot of fragrances always got the citrus. So this is, again, something kind of different. It's not your normal, every fragrance pretty much almost has citrus at the top, then you throw in some other stuff, and then, you kind of barely get the citrus. You don't get enough of it. This one, I like that I'm not getting any citrus at all. Okay? I'm just getting a lot of woods. And again, just a slight, fresh earthiness. Okay? Just like that. Again, in the air, I think it smells much better. But on the skin, it's a little bit different. But then again, wife says she likes it. I mean, now she's not in love with it. I don't think she was wowed by it. But she didn't hate it. So that's good for some of you guys out there that get rid of your fragrances just because your wife hates it. If she hates it, spray it more. Anyways, I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Again, this is that Memento Abraaj by Fragrance World, F.A. Paris, if you will. Whatever F.A. Paris is, you guys let me know, okay? So, with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here. Again, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Wear that on a date night, okay? Date night fragrance. Definitely cool weather. Even though you do get a little bit of that freshness, I think those dark woods, that woody smokiness, kind of comes out a little bit too much for it to be a daytime fragrance. So nighttime, cool weather, okay, in those situations. But wherever you want, okay? If you want to destroy someone at work, destroy little Miss Betty at the cubicle next to you, then go right on ahead and spray like crazy. But anyways, I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comment, subscribe, and see you later. Peace. Yeah.